Hi everyone, Sandy here. Hope you're doing well. I am at Target and I thought I would pop in there and see what's new since the first of the year. I haven't been in here in months, so I missed all the Christmas stuff, so I said, why bother going in there? And so, yeah. But I am here mainly to pick up some storage containers for my craft room. I've been reorganizing, so I'll show you some of my favorite storage containers here at Target. All right, let's go in. The Bullseye area was just decimated. There was hardly anything on any of the shelves. So I don't know if I missed Valentine's decorations already or if they just haven't put them out. I'm thinking this is leftovers of New Year's Eve and Christmas, but I wasn't 100% sure. So I asked a worker later on when I found one, and they didn't really know because they didn't work the Bullseye area, but they thought that the Valentine stuff probably hadn't been put out yet. They said that they were behind, I guess, on stocking the shelves. I'll just have to come back another day and check out the Bullseye area once they have time to restock. And I'm not really here for Valentine's, so let's head back to the storage bin section. On the way to the storage bin section, I came across a little bit of Valentine stuff, and I love these mugs, so I picked up the white one. I didn't have a Valentine's mug, so for $5, it's a good deal. Now these bins, they're a staple at Target. They're similar to the Dollar Tree ones, so they're cheaper at Dollar Tree, but these are a little bit sturdier, so that's an option if you're looking. Now these are my favorite storage bins. I just love how sturdy they are, and the price isn't bad, and they've lowered the price on the medium and the smaller one you can see there, and I thought that was a good deal, so those probably won't last long either. They are about 17 inches long and a little over 11 inches wide, and then the height differs. So that one's, I think, about 4 inches high, and then this one's a lot higher. I store my fabrics in that one. Now these I hadn't seen before, and these look like Target's trying to compete with IKEA. They look just like the IKEA ones that I have, and they have them in various sizes, which I think is great. So I picked up a couple in that size, and the lid comes with them. So for no extra cost, you get the lid, and same with the ones with the purple handles. And then this is an interesting shape. I think that could be useful in a craft room and not a bad price. Now these I thought were really cute. I think I've seen these here before. They're all $2, and the price or the quantity varies depending on the size. So for those little ones up top, you get 4 for $2, and then the larger one you get 1 for $2. Now this is my tip, is to go over to the bathroom section and look at their clear acrylic storage over here. I got that with the little handle. I got a couple of those. I thought those would be interesting to try out. And then I have a couple in that size already. But these are great if you're a visual crafter like me. You can see what's in there. And these little ones are great for little bops and doodads that you might have laying around your desk. And this one here I thought would be great. You could put your scissors in the big cylinder, and then some of your other tools and ink daubers and things. The wooden ones are really pretty, but they're a lot pricier, and plus I can't see what's in them when the lid's closed. So I stick to these acrylic ones. So check those out. So this is a couple days later. I went back to Target, and the Bullseye area had been completely restocked, but it didn't have Valentine's. It was all organization and exercise and decorating your laundry room. These were really nice options though. The most expensive was $5, and then some were $3 and some were $1, and they were all in different shapes and sizes, so those could be a good solution, especially if you like the little frosted look so they aren't clear. And then they did have some clear acrylic storage in the Bullseye area as well. These are pretty much staples that they have, a lot for your refrigerator and other storage options. I hadn't seen these before. These are desk mats, and I thought these could work well as a nice craft mat, possibly. They were $5. I thought the colors were pretty. And then more office organization, and these are in cork. Didn't really like that. I liked these felt storage bins, and there's some in another size I'll show you here in a minute. These were the smallest ones that were $1. And then some glass storage bins and plastic. These big boot trays, I use those to store my projects. I have about 5 of them. So when I have projects in progress, that's what I keep everything on. And then I store them in the closet, so they're easy to get to. And then pickleball has hit Target, y'all. It's gotten huge. And then who decorates their laundry room anymore? I do not. I never did, actually. Alright, so that was my trip, or 2 trips to Target. Here's the bigger felt containers. I really like those a lot, but I didn't get any. So thank you all so much for watching. Check out my other videos to see how I used the items I purchased. Bye.